Hello kids! Have you ever seen a mountain that can smoke, shake, and even shoot fire and lava into the sky? Today we are going on an exciting journey to learn about one of the nature's most powerful wonders, volcanoes. What is a volcano? Deep inside the earth, it is very hot. So hot that rocks melt and turn into a thick hot liquid called magma. When this magma pushes its way up through cracks in the earth and comes out on the surface, a volcano is formed. The hot magma that flows out is called lava. Lava can glow red, orange, or yellow like fire. And we will also know about what are the parts of volcano. Let's look inside a volcano. Magma chamber. This is where hot magma is stored deep underground. Vent. A pipe-like path where magma travels upward. Crater. The opening at the top of the volcano. When pressure builds up, boom! The volcano erupts.